Well, Pat is more or less. Is it half? Are you halfway through one? Just doing one?
No, I'm just about finished on one.
All right. Well, just a minute.
I'm sewing my second. Oh, God, is it?
See a boat going by. Oh, minute, he's close. Okay, back to Pat.
Right, I've tacked the other piece to it, and I've sewn round here.
Right.
Just,
okay.
And I'm continuing on.
How long you had that sewing?
This is the heaviest sewing machine.
Is it?
You've ever.
How long have we had it? Well, how long have you had it?
We got it in Lincoln, didn't we, from that
Yeah,
sewing
that must
machine
be
shop.
30.
Yeah.
Good 30 years ago.
Yeah.
Really old. Second hand then when we bought it.
It what? It's a new home.
Yeah.
I've had to do this on here and put an extension in because
right.
That's the nearest, well, either there or there, nearest extension, isn't it?
So what have you got?
Right, I'll turn it. So what we've done, it needs pressing now, so we can check it out. What I've done is I've used the original duvet cover press stud.
Right.
Here, so we don't have to sew another press stud on or sew a zip in or out. So the cushion will go in there, and that is the side that we want to. So I just need to press round here,
right,
and round the other side, and then I'll put cushion in.
Okay.
And show you what it's like.
Other side.
Other side.
Wow. Okay.
Interesting, isn't it? Oh, it's.
But is this the top?
This is the way that she wants to see it, but we've done it like that so that if she wants to turn it over, she can.
No,
do.
what I mean is that the bottom or the back?
The bottom.
The bottom.
Yeah,
I
the bottom
see.
of the seat. It
Right.
sort of goes in there. Does the cover, this pad in it.
Yeah.
It goes round.
Yeah.
Like that.
Where is that?
That's upstairs.
Oh, okay.
In room.
Right.
Yeah, so got to take that and see how.
Take it up, press it, and put it around cushion and see what it looks like.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, give me a shout when you've done that.
Okay, I will do. Yeah.
There it is. Just turn it over, Pat.
Tracy likes that side best.
Does she?
Mm.
It is interesting, isn't it? There you are. Brilliant job, Pat. Yeah.
Well, considering I haven't been on a sewing machine for
Yeah.
30 years, I should think it is. Not bad. And we've used the fasteners.
Ah, right, yeah. Yeah.
So I didn't have to put a zip in or...
Yeah, that's good. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Great stuff, Pat.
Yeah, not bad. They're pleased with it anyway down there.
Good.
So I'll have to go... Yeah, when you put them on. Yeah.
There's the finished product. We haven't got the chair here, but that's what it is. Are you pleased with that, Trudy?
I am.
Good.
Wait, well, she turns it over because Tracy likes the other side better.
Oh, what about that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Quite vibrant, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it'll look nice in the room.
Yeah.
It's like a piece of art, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Great stuff. Morning.
Morning. All right.
Yeah. I have taken the van up. And they're actually on with it. It's only 10:10. And they're on with it. 5 past, right. Just rung me up to say that there's 2 light bulbs gone. Which is it?
A side light bulb.
Side marker light
Yeah.
bulb. And another one, I can't remember.
Blinker light, I think she said. Something like that.
Front indicator light. Yeah. They're pretty good.
It was back before I more or less got up. I was just getting up.
It was really busy up there. Now, I've just remembered there's a subscriber, one of you out there, comes from Stanley. And they haven't lived, I don't know where they live now.
All
But
right.
she asked me if I'd film it.
Stanley.
Stanley Bottom. I didn't. But I'm going back.
Yeah.
So I'll film it on my way back.
There's a big mill there at bottom of Ricochet Lane, isn't there?
Ainsworth Mill.
We did do a video of it, didn't
Yeah, we did. Yeah, done Ainsworth Mill. Well, I have a feeling it was when last year when we serviced it.
All right.
When we had it serviced, we
Yeah.
went to Marks and Sparks, didn't we?
Yeah.
Had a coffee
Yeah, I think we did.
coffee shop. And then I walked back and picked the van up and met you
Pick me up somewhere.
there.
Yeah.
But we had to walk around it. Because I had a friend in Wetherby whose wife, parents,
Yeah, I think
Oh.
so. Her family.
owned the mill.
Excuse me. Yeah, her family owned it, didn't they?
Yeah. And you've seen the little video of Pretty Pat sewing, doing that project.
Didn't show you much sewing because it's a bit boring, isn't it, watching somebody?
No, somebody wanted to watch you doing it.
Oh,
Yeah, but you
I finished it.
finished it. I had a,
You were too busy, weren't you?
what do they call them moments? No,
Not senior citizen?
no,
No. A light bulb?
no. I can't think of the word. I actually deleted my Facebook account.
Oh, what would you call that?
A something moment. I've completely deleted it.
Oh.
Fed up with it. I just
Excuse me.
It's not, I don't know how to explain, but I've started another one.
So we're starting something.
Same. It's Pat and Trevor Life on the Run and Trevor Whetstone. It's the same, but just starting again.
Right. If you can hear noises, it's Ernie in background. He's trying to get out.
Always trying to get out.
He'll have been awake a long time today because Alethea's back at school and she turns him on.
Back at school. Oh, I called in at the doctor's.
Oh, did you?
As well.
On the way back?
I did.
And?
The order were put in on Friday, so they will be here.
Sometime this week?
This week.
Right. I wonder if Tracy's going to call in. She's gone up to the post office, hasn't she? And when she was trying to get her cream on Friday, she was told that it were no longer in manufacture. You'd think that doctor would know that, wouldn't you?
No.
No. Probably not.
There's millions of products.
Oh yeah. Out there. But you'd have thought that the first chemist had told her that they could no longer get it. It would just... that she went to.
Well, you don't know whether they know what's going on, do you?
No, I suppose not.
Maybe it's just one chemist that she went to who had some communication
Boots's.
from them.
Boots's chemist at Bramley. Good. Is that Tracy back?
She back?
She could be. I just heard the key turning in the lock, I
Did
think.
you?
Yeah.
Is she here?
I don't know, darling. She'll come down if she is, won't she?
This is the diary. 27th of November 2017. Yesterday was pretty boring, really. It was sunny again, but we had rain through the night, making a soggy wet golf course even soggier. I watched the last F1 of the season. Bottas won.
Oh.
Went for a walk after, and that's about it. Today we went to Alford's in Louth to get some antifreeze for the van when we go up to Tracy's in December. Get some antifreeze from Alford's. I also got some jump leads. Tried to start the car, but I don't know if I connected them right, but it didn't work. 29th. Yesterday was the best the weather was going to be for the next few days, so I went and played golf in the morning. There was no one on the course. Considering the condition of the course, I played some of my best golf. When I got back, we went to Lidl at Mablethorpe for our shopping. Today is wet and cold, even hailstones. I went to the office and paid the ground rent, and then to the driving range. Went on the government pension credit calculator and discovered we can get £65 a week. This I will do next February. Following day, awoke to snow and very cold. Bought a bottle of gas. There is a Pilotti camper rally on the park. 30 vans coming. I don't think it's snowing anywhere else. Paid an annual subscription to the caravan club. So we shall see how we do with that. So that's when we started with Caravan Club. Previous, we'd been members at Camping and Caravan Club.
All right.
17, 18, 19, 20, 6 years.
6 years I've been with them.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It has continued snowing most of the day. Stuck inside all day. Not much fun. But it's better than being out in this. It's hard to find a short wheelbase camper as good as ours for the money, but you can get a better, longer wheelbase one for the same price.
Hmm.
Yeah, I wasn't doing computing, I wasn't doing social media
And things then.
or anything
so
then
you're
to keep me
occupied. Hmm.
I did do some drawing.
Right. Hmm. You did?
Yeah. Yeah, I did quite a few
Yeah.
pen drawings at camp and
Yeah.
campsite, course.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
Yeah.
You did that telephone box one.
I did.
I liked that one I read.
Mm.
Is that the one that Mick's got?
Mick's got it.
Yeah.
Mm.
What a nice one that.
Yeah, a telephone box at night,
Yeah.
illuminated by a lamp.
Yeah.
So,
So we don't know what time you're going to be going for that van, do we?
no.
No. I might put a few things together today.
Oh, yeah.
Get ready. Put them in bags and then they just...
Wonder if... might
you
be
get-
ready in time for me to bring it
Bring it
back
up
it
and
'cause it's
put some
Monday.
things in.
That's true. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if it is. If there's a space out there,
I know.
have to see.
Anyway, I think we'll leave it there.
Yeah,
There's a little bit to add to it at the beginning.
yeah,
So, tomorrow
it is.
we're setting off.
So
Tomorrow-
there won't be a video until we get to where we're
Yeah,
going.
yeah. So I'll do a video when we arrive. All right, folks.
Okay.
See you sometime tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.